Hello everyone, myself Dr. Hemakumar, Associate Professor. We have created a video lectures series on problem solving using C++. These video sessions cover the syllabus of University of Mysore, Chamarajanagara University, Mandya University, Hassan University, and in and around the nearby universities syllabi. And this syllabus is related to the program is called Bachelor of Computer Application, Bachelor of Science in the Computer Science, and etc. In this lecture series, there are totally 41 sessions. Among this 41 sessions, 31 sessions has been lectured covered by a Dr. Hemakumar, and 10 sessions has been covered by Srimati Asharani, Assistant Professor. The topic covered here is first session is program development lifecycle. Second is introduction to procedure oriented programming and object oriented programming paradigm. Third is a basic concept of hoops and benefits and applications of hoops. Fourth, overview of C++, structure of C++ program. Fifth, input output statements. Sixth, token, keywords, identifiers, constant, variables. Seventh, data types. Eighth, operators and types of operators. Ninth, expressions, predecessors of operators. 10th, type conversion, storage classes. 11th, selection and iteration statements. Among the control statement, conditional control statements. 12th, control statement, unconditional control statements. 13th, loop control statement. 14th, modular programming, that is functions and its types. 15th, recursion and its types. 16th, functions with default arguments. 17th, inline functions, function overloading and friend function. 18th session, function overloading. 19th session is call by value and call by reference. 20th, the math library functions used in C++. 21st session contains arrays and types of arrays. 22nd, strings and string manipulation functions. 23, pointers and pointer arithmetic. 24, managing console input output operations in C++. 25, C++ data types. 26, class definition, instant variables, members, member functions. 27, access specifier and this pointer. 28, friend function and constructors. 29, types of constructors. 30th, type of constructors and destructors. 31st, polymorphism, operator overloading and types. 32, rules for operator overloading. 33, overloading unary and binary operators. 34th, inheritance. 35th session is types of inheritance. 36, types of inheritance and virtual functions. 37, virtual functions and abstract classes. 38, introduction to files and file handling. 39, file opening modes, classes for file stream operations. 40th session on file input output operations. 41 is exception handling. In this lecture series, we have covered all the topics which comes under problem solving using C++. So go through the each videos to learn and mastering in a C++ program. Thank you.